Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make artisan bread from scratch using only 4 ingredients. This recipe is super simple and the results are absolutely delicious. And this is the perfect recipe to make while all of us are in quarantine because the ingredients are very easy to find and they're available at most supermarkets and discount stores. So if you're interested in watching this video, just stay right there. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you never miss a video. So I'm gonna use 3 cups of lukewarm water, 1.5 teaspoon of yeast, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna mix the ingredients together and let it sit for 5 minutes. Then add 6.5 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour and mix all the ingredients together using my KitchenAid. I'm gonna use it at a speed of 1. Once the dough has been created, I'm gonna remove it from the bowl gently and onto a greased bowl. I'm gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil and massage it in. And I'm gonna let the dough rise for about 2 hours. After the dough has been set aside, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna lightly flour. I'm going to cut the dough into 2 equal halves and fold the dough into itself, creating the bottom so the top has a nice round shape. I'm going to do the same for both. After that, I'm going to place the dough onto a baking sheet and let it sit and rest for 40 minutes. After letting the dough sit for 40 minutes, I'm going to cut slits on the top of the dough so that it will rise evenly while baking in the oven. I'm going to place the dough in the oven after it's been preheated to 450 degrees for 30 minutes. I also put a pan filled with about 1/4 inch of water in the oven so that the oven has steam to keep the bread moist while baking. And this is what the final result looks like. So delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make artisan bread from scratch using only 4 ingredients. If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.